Welcome back. You're still watching SABC News Prime Time. The Reserve Bank's Monetary Policy Committee is largely expected to keep interest rates on hold tomorrow.
This despite consumer inflation hitting an 8-month high. Statistics South Africa released figures today showing inflation quickened to 6.4% in October from 6.1% a month earlier.
The Reserve Bank watches the rate at which prices increase closely and uses interest rates to keep that inflation in check. The latest data show inflation jumping to 6.4% year-on-year in October from 6.1% a month earlier. Economist Elise Kruger says the Reserve Bank is forward-looking and today's inflation figure alone won't alter the trend.
The SABC forecast has been a bit too high, so I have been expecting them to announce a downward revision to their CPI outlook in the very short term, sort of the next 6 months. So that downward revision could be slightly less after today's figure, but it won't change, the trend in that inflation is expected to trend downwards during 2017.
High food prices continue to be one of the main drivers of inflation, suffocating many consumers. It rose 12% from a year earlier and 0.9% from the month before. They've been pushed up by the worst drought in more than a century.
Year on year, still 12% up, so that is still a sizable food price inflation number. And depending on the speed at which food prices change, it could stay in double digits for another 3 to 6 months.
The Reserve Bank forecasts inflation will return to its 3 to 6% target band sustainably in the second quarter of next year. Devin Murrigan, SABC News, Johannesburg.